Hi everyone, Sandy Trefker here. Welcome back to another showcase video of a brand new paper collection that is designed for Country Craft Creations and only available on their online website at countrycraftcreations.com. This one is scheduled to be released on March the 5th and it is called What's Cooking. We all love retro kitchen recipe type papers, and you're not going to be disappointed with this one. You're going to love it. It comes with 24 sheets and tags in this collection, which means you get 8 patterns, 3 of each sheet, so you've got plenty to work with to make you a lovely recipe book or a recipe box. And it also comes with 3 sheets of these fabulous cut aparts. You can fussy cut these out, or if you have a scan and cut machine. So you get 3 identical sheets. It's the yellow check on the back to make your own embellishments. So this is really cool. You get 3 to work with on this, and also the cover sheet is made on the same paper, so you could actually cut out these little mini ones if you wanted to and make small tags out of these papers here on your cover sheet. So I'm really excited to share this one with you. I'm going to be working on a project with this one really soon. Again, I am not flipping through and going over each paper here. I'm going to have a little slideshow to music immediately on this video so that you can take a look at it and see the images up close through the photos. But as you can see, you have your mixers and your refrigerator and your ovens and your mixing bowls and cherry pie and Pyrex ware. So lots of wonderful vintage retro kitchen items on this. It's going to be so much fun. Again, only available at countrycraftcreations.com. Not available in any store. Exclusive to countrycraftcreations.com. This was designed specifically exclusively for Country Craft Creations, and it is available, scheduled to be available March the 5th. I haven't received any notice that it will be any later than that, and that is the current date that it is supposed to be available. So if you go online on March the 5th and you don't see it on countrycraftcreations.com, keep checking back. When you go onto their website, click on their menu. It depends if you're on your phone or computer, but it's usually like 3 little bars. Click on that and then click on brand, and then click on Country Craft Creations and then merchandise, and then you will see the packages of this collection when it's available, and the other 2 collections that I have showcased. So thanks so much for watching. Check back later. Bye bye.